Good job all the way to the yellow dot, clear to land. We'll be dropping the hard surface as soon as we can after. So you saw adjusting the numbers, the this is going to break the poly. Just put land on the screen, checking yellow dot. Last report traffic site. 3 Roger, you going to call our brakes? I will. Flight of 2 on the pink dot, turn left, next taxi to our Turkish Southwest car service, and look for flight with Buck now, Oshkosh. Alright, left turn here. Fine. Flight of 3, you could just, you want to rejoin up and just do the initial again, how about that?
We've got the low wing Bonanza, we've got converging traffic here on the right.
Yeah, he's going to the right side. That low wing, I guess that's the Bonanza on a 1 mile base. You can go direct to the numbers now for 36 right and you're clear to land. Of course, sir, looking for a hole.
Alright, let's land and let Bernie go on his own. The 3 skip lead's going to go around. Dash 2 and 3 are landing.
That sounds good. Dash 1, make right close traffic is Blue Force there, clear to land on 36 left. Service, just keep it moving down the runway for the guy that's on the runway now. Next hard service, please.
Do that.
You want twin steps from the circle left? Get 36 left, clear to land.
36 left, clear to land, take care.
Twin steps and circle and left. Twin steps to keep the left turn, you're going back around for the base leg on, tell you what, go southbound. We're going to extend your downwind for twin steps. Good job, thank you. Shipper, you going to go cold? Good. Course here, keep it moving. Course here, keep it moving. The guy over the purple dot, set it down. That course here is going to keep rolling out for you. Bonanza on 36 right, don't stop. You're going all the way to the end, high speed. And twin to the southbound, left turn back to the runway 36 left turn land. Left turn, F36 left. That's correct. Thanks, guys. Course here, next left turn. Course here, next left. Course approaching Fond du Lac, Boeing Plaza. Okay, Fond du Lac, everybody about Fond du Lac, hold at the island now. The go-around Warbird on downwind, 36 left turn land. Twin, where are you?
Twin's close in base, 36 left.
Twin, I see you direct to the numbers.
I'm cold, Warren.
Okay. Touching down on 36 left, coming up on that yellow dot. Just continue down the runway, no delay, all the way to the end. Alright. I didn't catch that, but the guy turned in the right base, clearly in 36 left. There's a twin out there, but he's about a 1 mile final plenty of room there. And 36 right for now, I'll use 36 left in the ground. Copy, we're going to Boeing Plaza. Okay, well remind me and I'll try to get to 36 left, but we might need to put one around.
And next to the twin steps, the roll tunnel, runway 36 left for the land, you'll be rolling all the way to the end, everybody's clear.
And the guy that just touched down 36 right, don't, alright. If you're turning off there, that's fine, remain at frequency. The tail dragger that just turned off at 36 right, go ahead and do a 180, hold short at 36 right. We're going to get you back onto the runway here in a moment. Hold short, read that back.
The red and silver tail dragger that's making a 180, hold short of that skinny runway. The red and silver tail dragger, hold short of the skinny runway for us, please.
Silver AirVenture, Warbird Island. Now report a 3 mile final for me, please. Report 3 up. Red Mark Getty, Fond du Lac. Yeah, high wing, are you going to be able to make it over to 36 left? If not, you're clear to land on 36 right. Yeah, we got 36 left, sorry. Okay, very good. On the yellow dot, clear to land runway 36 left, thank you. High wing coming over the number. See if you can make it on the next taxiway there. Go ahead. If not, you're good. Yeah, there you go, buddy. Just come. There you go. Very nice. Left right there. There you go. And the 170 and the Tri Pacer going to the north T hangars. Blue Albatross, Wolford Island. Copy Albatross, report a 3 mile final. 3 mile final, 36. 170, just make a left turn on the hard surface and follow the flagman, please. Okay. Tractors can do the same, follow the tractors. Tower citation 43 Bravo, Hotel is about 7 south, 36, full stop. On the right base, right now, Marquetti on the right base, runway 36 left, clear to land, yellow dot. 36 left, yellow dot, thanks. On the 56, take the junior runway, we can let the DC-3. Turn right business jet at Warbird. Copy that. Report 3 mile final, please. 3 mile final, madam. Citation 3 mile final. Citation only 36 left, clear to land. 36 left, clear to land. 4 Bravo top. Josh Tower, question. You've got Marquetti turn into red square, please. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Very good. Thank you very much for that. All the way down to the red square, even if you're a little bit faster, that's all right. Yes, yes. The 8 is set it open. Just right, it's going all over to the end. Low wing on the left base, only 36 left, clear to land, yellow dot. Click right, we're on the backbone. That's clear. Okay, we'll go down. Okay, that's over the end, and left turn. Left turn at the end, towards the road. Left base. D6 Island. And November Golf, 9 November Golf, for the 3 mile final. 3 mile final. D6 over Warbird Island, got the DC-3 in track. D6 record. And you're coming up 2 mile initial, runway 36 right. Alright, red low wing, left, next left turn. Excellent, nice job everybody, welcome knocked in. If he lands wrong. Alright, let's do that. DC-3, you're clear to land, yellow dot, and 9 November Golf, you're 36 left, clear to land, yellow dot, you're number 1. Hold on, number 1, to the 9 November Golf. And Meridian over Fond du Lac, let it to the island. Copy that, report over Wolford Island. CDF, fluid white CDF on the Lac also, and front of the CDF, I report Wolford Island. Go ahead.